Hello, it is Monday, May 7th, 2012 at 10:53 p.m. Central Standard Time. I wanted to show you something that's happening here in Chicago. At first glance, it doesn't really seem like much other than we've got the Terminator beams going through at sunset, of course, following the Terminator line. Then, if I go look at the loop here for NextRad, you can see that it's right here. You can see precipitation in clear mode. It starts out in precipitation, goes to clear, and then precipitation again. And even at that doesn't look like much, except for we kind of have this hot area in here. It's by this big county here. But what's really interesting is when I go look at the base velocity, there's a lot more going on than meets the eye. See all these crazy beams coming out? Let me slow this down just a touch. See, there's red and green dispersed throughout, almost up into 60 and the colors. It's not down to the -70, but -50 it looks like. Yeah, the bright green. Let me kind of go through frame by frame. That's kind of going fast. And I guess I should check. Let's see, at 147 is when they start showing up. And then they just get worse. Much bigger beams going to more extreme. So let's go back and look at this other one and see what's happening at 147. Going back. Yep, that's when they switched it from precipitation mode to clear mode. And I don't know why that should affect the base velocity like that, but clearly something happened after they switched. And interesting. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to show you that this is what the clouds look like, the infrared satellite. And you can see basically the clouds are moving through. And then what I also wanted to show you is I went and looked at the jet stream in conjunction to this. So at May 7th at 12 GMT, right now it's May 8th 4 GMT, so that was 4 hours ago. We got the jet stream very odd. I mean, it's coming up here and it's off the screen, and then it's coming way down here, and there's something putting pressure here in the middle as well. So actually there's 4 pressure points, one here, 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 here. And I'm sorry, but I'm not good enough to tell the high from the low pressure yet. But and again, we've got wind on both sides of this pressure area anyway, as well as this one right here and right here. And maybe that's normal too. But I found something interesting looking at, see, this is the Hudson Bay, and you look at this little horn here, and it's pushing way up in there. I was looking earlier at the hemispheric products at visible, and this is May 7th at 14:15, and there's what I call them satellite frequencies now. There's one that shows up that actually pushes right in that area. It's kind of hard. Here's the Hudson Bay, and so the horn's right up in here. You can see this ring comes right over that area and pushes through. So, oh, one more thing. And then when I also went to University of Utah to look at the troposphere report, here's part of it's going to be off the screen, but see that, oh, where did it go? I've got a, there's something right here. You can see, let me zoom in a little bit. This is at May 7th at 18 UTC. You can see we have one of those blue, heavy blue areas right in here, right in Chicago, so it's right around that same time. And I don't know exactly what those mean, but they seem to coincide with odd happenings. So I just want to bring that to your attention, and we'll glance at this one in a minute. Yeah, we've got a deep blue area here with a yellow ring here and 2 red ones here. So anyway, what doesn't look like much is actually quite a bit going on. So that's it. God bless you. Have a good rest of the evening.